Hey Torquato, I've just been on a webinar on AI and APIs and integration and the impact of that on several trends. Um, I wanted to just, say a few things and run a few things by you on that thought because I mainly see Aussie AI is very pervasive and there's a lot of uh, providers' noise on alleged benefits of AI that is really very loud and sometimes deafening. But practically, what I would see in terms of the main impacts of AI in APIs, API management and integration. To me, probably I would divide that in three. The first would be what is generally known as an AI gateway with all the functions and the policies that are very specific to AI that apply to that. The second one will be enhancements in API design with the various co-pilots. The third one probably being all the nice things that we can do at runtime. So when an API is running, in terms of governing the API properly, making sure it works properly for all the consumers of the API. So what do you think of that?
Mm. There's a lot of hype, and I agree with your breakdown. I'm breaking down with my own words, which is AI as a consumer, AI as an orchestrator, and AI as a generator, which is pretty similar to what you described. And there is a lot of hype and there's a lot of wow demos and a lot of MVPs. I was in Sensedia event last month, and I asked the crowd who has AI POC or MVP, and obviously everybody raised their hands. And the right next question was, okay, but who have a successful AI project running? And it give a significant lower hand ratio to the crowd when it comes
I
to the
think that
practice.
the word successful injected some trouble there, but whatever.
Yeah. Well, and then I divided this concept of, okay, we can have AI as an accelerator, as you described, with the numerous copilots, right? So AI, of course, generative AI, it can generate code. Good. Uh, we do have copilots, yes. But dividing the hype, and now we're reaching the famous or now famous AI gateway, which more or less API management features. Every LLM have an API, probably. So we do have more features over the API management and call it AI gateway. And the consumption of AI will evolve, and it is evolving. And now, finally, we do have specific protocols that comes with the complexity of the consumption of the AI. So for me, where we as a company, where we can help more is when AI will act as consumers, meaning agents consuming APIs everywhere. We'll turn our scenario that is not very friendly, especially in enterprise, more messy with more complexity. So here comes more protocols. Of course, we can solve those problems, but not without adding other problems to the mix. And in the end of the day, the AI consumption and AI generation and AI orchestration will become a governance, security, and control issue, which, matter of fact, that Mr. API know them very well, which is
Yeah,
almost exactly same problems that we have with
yeah.
APIs.
The history will repeat itself,
Yes.
if that's what you mean.